If your mood, sleep, energy, and sex drive all changed after 35, it may come down to three hormones: estrogen, progesterone, testosterone. You've heard the names, but most women were never taught what they actually do. So let's make it simple. Estrogen affects more than your period. It impacts your mood, sleep, skin, joints, brain, hair, vaginal comfort, and body temperature. And when estrogen shifts up or down, everything can feel off. When it drops, you may notice hot flashes, night sweats, vaginal dryness, brain fog, or joint pain. When it spikes, you may feel bloated, emotional, tender, heavy, or moody. In real life, that can look like crying at something small one week, feeling fine the next, then suddenly sweating through your sheets at 3 a.m. That's not weakness. That's estrogen shifting. Now let's talk about progesterone. Progesterone is the calming hormone. It helps with sleep, anxiety, and balance. But when progesterone drops, sleep breaks down and your mind won't slow down. You may feel irritable, restless, or on edge for no clear reason. In real life, that can feel like lying in bed at 2 a.m., wide awake, mind racing, exhausted but wired. That can be low progesterone. And here's something many women don't know. Progesterone often starts changing earlier than estrogen. That's why sleep issues and anxiety may show up before hot flashes. Now testosterone. Yes, women have testosterone too. It affects energy, strength, motivation, and sex drive. When it drops, you may feel flat, low energy, less motivated, and less interested in sex, like your get up and go, got up and left. In real life, you may notice you used to enjoy intimacy, and now you could take it or leave it. You're not cold. You're not broken. Your body may be shifting. Here's what makes perimenopause so confusing. These hormones don't change in a straight line. Estrogen may rise 1 month and drop the next. Progesterone declines earlier, and testosterone slowly decreases over time. That's why symptoms feel random. 1 week you're emotional, the next you can't sleep. The next your body feels heavy, dry, tired, or disconnected. That doesn't mean you're imagining it. It means your hormones are changing unevenly. So what do you do? First, stop blaming yourself. You're not weak. You're not crazy. Your body is changing. Second, start noticing patterns. When do you feel off? When do you feel better? What's different that week? Sleep, mood, energy, periods, hot flashes, sex drive. Patterns help you understand what's happening and help your doctor too. Third, know that there are options: lifestyle support, stress support, sleep support, medical treatments, and hormone therapy for some women. In the next video, I'll explain estrogen dominance, what it means, what it feels like, and why it can make you feel bloated, emotional, heavy, and out of control. Subscribe to Glow After 35 so you don't miss it. Because once you understand what each hormone does, you stop blaming yourself and start feeling like yourself again.